Okay. Now we have done our authentication. Like if user is there, we are logged in. If user is not there, we are not logged in. Now what we want is suppose we will see our application. Okay. So here once you are going to log in, admin and admin, you are going to get this page. Correct, right? You are click on employees. You are going to load all the employees data. This is a correct one. Okay. This is fine. Now what we want is you see this URL, okay, and I'll copy this URL, and here I'm going to log out from my page also. I have log out. So since you are going to log out, now what I will do, I will click on this employee and enter. See, all data is coming or not? So there is a security problem or not? Without login also they are able to see the data. Then why you are writing all login information and putting sidebar, and then why they can do it? There is a severe security problem is there or not? Whenever your sidebar items are there, those should be secured one. Your dashboard should come only if login. Otherwise, it should not come at all. That is the first logic. Correct, right? So let us try to see our demo application also. I will copy this URL, okay, and I will click on this logout. Now we have logged out, right? I will paste it here and again enter. Now what is the data I'm getting? I'm getting the data or not getting? We should not get it. That is the behavior correct. Now we want to implement the same behavior for our application also. Okay. This concept is called protecting the routes. Protecting the routes. That means how to secure our routes. Which page you want to secure? Which page should come only if user is logged in? Which page should come without login? So that page we should decide it. Okay. That is nothing but a securing. Let us see here. Okay. Do you know how to write if condition? Yes, right. Let us see here. So we are going to where we have defined all our routes. Usually we will write all our routes in the this app.js, or we can write a separate layout.js that I can import it here. Both are fine. Okay. If you go here, see here, if username is there and I'm writing like sidebar is coming, that is okay. So let us see. Here I'm writing some routes, right? This home page is there. This home page no need to be protected. Even if you're login or not login, I want to go to this home page, first page. Suppose if I'm clicking this first page, I want to show this page with login or without login. I want to show this page, so I don't want to consider. So whatever the pages you want to protect means suppose login page is there, you want to show the login page after login only, or without login you want to see it. Without login also I want to see it, otherwise you cannot log in. Correct, right? So this is no need to be secure. That is okay, leave it. Employee page, suppose employees it is secure, I want to write a secure code. Correct, right? That is the reason whichever the code is secure, first you identify this code. Okay. So now I identified like a employee is a secured one. Okay. And employee, this route also secured one. Okay. And dashboard also I want to make it secure. Okay. Suppose these three I want to make it as a secured one. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to cut these three things. Okay. Let's go to top here. Simply we have return statement, right? Go to above return statement. Okay. You create one normal variable, let or constant, anything is fine. Constant. Okay. Protected, you can give any name, protected route content, something like this. Okay. Is equal to, I can write like this, open bracket and close bracket, something like this. Here I can write like a empty bracket. So this is so far everyone okay, right? And here I am going to paste it. That's all. Whatever the bottom is there, simply I have copied and pasted in the top, and I am storing into what variable? One variable. Correct, right? That's all. Okay, this is okay. Since why I am using this fragment, I cannot use multiple uh, elements in the top level. That is the reason I am using a fragment. That is okay. So right click, format the document. Let's click on the format the document. Okay, now I have done. Okay. Now when I should use this pages, only if user is logged in. Otherwise I don't want to log in. That is the reason I will copy here. I will go to the bottom where we need to add this inside the switch. We need to add it, right? Here I am going to write one if condition. Okay. Okay. I am going to write like this. Okay. Suppose if my username is there, I am going to write a question mark. And what is my variable name in the top? What is my variable name? Protected content. I will write like this. Else I will write like a null value. Don't display. Okay. This is a simple code. What is this? So this is a ternary condition. Question mark means a ternary operator. So whatever the value, if it is there in the before, if this is a true, this code will be executed. If this is a false, this code will be executed. Now if you have any data, that is nothing but a true. If you don't have any data, that is a false. Let's click on file, save all. Okay, let's go to our login page. So now let me click on login and I will go to admin and enter. Now I got the data. Let me click on employees. We got the employee data, right? Everything is working fine. Now what I'm going to do, I'll copy this URL and I'm going to log out. Okay. Now this time I know the URL, right? I will enter here. What is the data it is showing it? Whether it's showing that content or some other content, it will not content. Suppose I will try to go for a dashboard. Okay, dashboard. What is the data it is showing it? Some other content. And you can go for any other component, employee also, EMP. Okay, no data is going out. Okay, like this you can protect your routes. Okay, so whenever you want to protect your route, what you are going to do, first you create one variable here. Okay, whichever the route, suppose tomorrow you want to write a companies also, simply write like this here, com company. Okay, and you can write a company component and you don't need to do anything in the bottom, already you are written a condition, only these pages. And by mistake if you are writing login also in the top, you will not get that login page at all, you will not able to log in at all. That is the reason, don't do this. Login is not secure. You can write like a login, registration, forget password, don't put in the secure way, those are not secure. Anybody can log in, anybody can change their password, so those should be outside. The remaining pages, login page, not login page, company page, employee page, reports page, all other page should be secured one. So this is how you can protect your routes. Let me click format. Okay, so the important properties, first you are going to define all the protected routes here, and second you are going to add this one into the switch case, like wherever we are written that one. So automatically it will protect our routes. So here I'm writing a component one, that is the reason it is showing like a component one, something like this. Okay. Okay,